In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a candle countdown timer to MetaTrader 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is go ahead and get that candle time indicator. So to do this, just do a Google search for MetaTrader 5 candle timer and look for the one from Fox Factory. So this one's called candle time indicator for MetaTrader 5 download. This is a free download and it's free to use. Now I want to go ahead and download it from this link here, so go ahead and click onto it. Now this should start downloading. As you can see, here it is here. It's in a zip file, so candle timer by MT5. So from here, you want to go ahead and right click onto it. Now we've got the option to extract all. So yeah, right click it, and then extract all. And now it says here extract, select the destination folder. So I'm just going to extract it into this folder for here, and then we can open it up so we can see here this is the candle timer by MT5 for MT5. Now from here we need to go back to MetaTrader 5, then click onto File, top left hand corner of the page, and then we need to select Open Data File, and then go ahead and select that file. So I'm going to go back to my downloads and then choose that file here, like so. So double click that file. Sorry, come back to your data file. So click onto File, click onto Open Data File, and then we need to click onto inside of here. Now click onto MQL5, double click onto that, click onto Indicators, and then you should see it here, Candle Time MT5. And now this is just to confirm that it's actually being put inside of Indicators, inside of MT5. Then from here, we want to go ahead and close MetaTrader 5 after this. So go ahead and close that. I'm going to close out. Got a few open. And then from here, we want to go ahead and open up MetaTrader 5 again. So I'm just going to type in MT5. Now, once we're back here, we can see under symbols, under indicators, we can expand this if it's closed, and you can see candle time MT5 is there. Now, in order to use this, we want to go ahead and drag and drop this into the chart. So if I want to go ahead and use it there, it's going to say candle time. We want to go ahead and click on OK.